Namaskar to all my brothers and sisters. Me Rajeshwari Shambat. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to prepare banana stem thali without onion and garlic. It is one of the favorite recipe of our Dakshina Kannada district in Bangalore. It is a very traditional and very good and healthy recipe. Please watch and support all these fiber rich recipes. Especially this banana stem is very useful to remove kidney stone for good digestion and decrease our body's cholesterol. So first of all we have to slice banana stem and put in buttermilk mixed water just for 2 minutes, then remove from the water and add in a cooking vessel by adding sufficient water, salt and 2 teaspoons of buttermilk. Cook well, then grate the coconut. Add freshly grated coconut in a mixer jar with buttermilk and green chilli. Grind until smooth paste. Now add into cooked banana stem. If essential, add sufficient water, but it should be thick, so don't add too much of water. Now mix it well and let it to boil without disturbing. Here it is starting to boil, but it should not be boiled finely. When it starts to boil, in that time you have to take off flame. See, here you can see the boiling point. Take off the flame and do tempering. For the tempering, coconut oil, urad dal, mustard seeds, methi seeds and badigi chilli are used here. Let it to temper finely. Then take off the flame. Use methi seeds only 5 to 6 seeds. Don't use too much of seeds. I written the ingredients each and everything here. You can check that also. Here it is spluttering. Take up the flame and add seasoning into buttermilk curry. Mix it and it is ready to serve. Good, very aromatic buttermilk curry. We say majjige huli is ready now. Now let's prepare payasam. It is rice payasam, very easy to prepare. Heat ghee 1 teaspoon and fry cashews until golden brown. Then add few raisins too. Then add cooked rice. Here I prepared the rice already in cooker. Me using that rice only 2 cup here. Mix it and add milk half liter, water only quarter liter. Then let it to boil finely. Here without disturbing, let it to boil finely. You can see the boiling. Now add sugar for sweetness. I used here organic sugar, just 1 cup. It is very sweet too. Adding sugar now. Mix it well and let it to cook until smooth of rice and thickness. See, here it is cooked well and it is thickened. Now add cardamom powder 1 teaspoon. Mix it well and take off flame. Keep aside to serve. Aromatic payasam is ready. Now prepare banana stem curry. Again chop banana stem. Add in buttermilk mixed water. Remove and add in vessel by adding sufficient water, salt to taste and buttermilk 2 teaspoon. Let it to cook. Here prepare masala for grind. Heat cooking oil, coriander seeds only 3 teaspoon and jeera 1 teaspoon. Fry in very low flame until good aroma by adding badgi chilli. I used only 2. If you need, you can add more badgi chilli. Take off the flame, add turmeric powder a pinch and curry leaves 1 string. Now add in mixie jar with 1 cup of grated coconut and fried masala, sufficient water. Grind coarsely. Here it is ground coarsely now. Add tamarind, only quarter sized lemon. Continue grinding. Check here the cookedness of banana stem. Add ground masala and some water too. Then mix it well. Here we should allow it to boil finely. It should boil finely. See, here it is starting to boil. At that time, if you essential add jaggery, otherwise you can skip it. We need sweetness, that's why I used jaggery. It is boiling now. We prepare seasoning. For seasoning, using only mustard seeds and red chilli, cooking oil. It is tempering now. Add curry leaves, take a flame and add seasoning into boiling curry. Mix well, take a flame and keep aside. Very good banana stem curry is ready. Let's prepare now banana stem palyam or stir fry. For that, once again chop banana stem finely, then add into buttermilk or curd mixed water, then strain it and do seasoning. For the seasoning, used here mustard seeds, urad, badgi chilli, cooking oil and curry leaves. Then add banana stem and a pinch of turmeric powder. Then salt to taste, buttermilk or curd, red chilli, little bit of water. Cover and cook until softness, then add grated coconut. Here it is ready, take off flame. Now prepare banana stem chitrana. It is a new recipe to all, I think. Heat cooking oil, badgi chilli, mustard seeds, jeera and urad dal. Let it to fry. Then add curry leaves, ground nut few. Mix well. Add a pinch of turmeric powder. Then banana stem 1 cup. Mix it well. Fry 2 to 3 minutes. No need of water. Salt to taste. If essential, add green chilli. Then squeeze lemon. Only 2 teaspoons is enough. Mix it well. Then add cooked rice. Here I used 2 cups of cooked rice. Then mix it well and take off flame. It is ready to serve without onion and garlic. All these are traditional cooking without onion and garlic. Very good and healthy chitrana is ready or yellow rice is ready. Now prepare chutney. Banana stem chutney. For this I used banana stem, tamarind, salt to taste, turmeric powder, badgi chilli and grated coconut, little bit of water, grind it coarsely, then transfer into a bowl, add seasoning, mix well and serve. It is very healthy chutney. It is a side dish ready to serve. Now it is bhaji. Banana stem bhaji. Wow, wow. Yes, it is very healthy and tasty. For that I used gram flour 1 cup, rice flour 1 teaspoon, red chilli powder, salt to taste, pinch of hing and turmeric powder a pinch, then sufficient water. Here mix well. The batter should be thick. It should not be watery. Now batter is ready. Add banana stem slices, coat well and heat cooking oil. Deep fry in hot cooking oil. Fry until golden brown in medium flame. Then remove. It is ready to serve now. Very healthy banana stem bhaji is ready now. At the last I used to prepare pickle. Without pickle we are not having lunch. So here I used only quarter cup of banana stem, then adding pickle masala powder or rasam. It is very easy to prepare. Mix it well and serve. Here the good recipe of banana stem is ready and the thali is also ready. If you like, please subscribe, share and support me. Thank you once again. Thank you one and all.